One of the biggest questions I get from medical cannabis patients is exactly how can medical cannabis help me with my prescription drugs? Many patients are taking prescription drugs just to fight the side effects of other prescription drugs. And so you can have patients ending up taking dozens of pills off of Western medicine recommendations, not knowing that there's maybe a safer, better, and cheaper alternative out there, which can solve many of the same issues they're experiencing, but at certainly a reduced rate and a reduced risk. So that's definitely something we hear a lot of times from patients, and something we try to help them through with regard to knowing their rights and exactly how medical cannabis can help. And when you look at prescription drugs, most of the times the number one side effect is going to be nausea, also constipation, diarrhea. You can also get death as a side effect oftentimes. Anytime you watch any of these commercials on TV, they'll just slip it right in and tell you just to ask your doctor about it, even though a side effect could be heart attack, death, or stroke. So certainly not side effects that cannabis ever has. You might have different side effects with cannabis, such as euphoria, greater appreciation of music, colors, increased appetite. Certainly there can be blurred vision, similar to other opiate type medications that are prescribed most often for pain. So we do get a lot of pain patients especially that want to use medical cannabis instead of having to take the dangerous opioids, which cause over 2,200 deaths a year. There's also 40,000 deaths a year just off of the mix-up of prescriptions that are recommended by legitimate doctors, by just mixing the wrong medications. So cannabis, being a natural, safe alternative, is certainly a much better option for patients when it comes to choosing medication. And it really is medication. We've had patients drop from 22 pills a day down to 1 and then use cannabis to supplement. I mean, that's how powerful this medicine is, to be able to help people and to really get down to those medical issues which otherwise you'd have to take whatever's created in the lab.